Capgras syndrome is a rare psychological condition that falls under the category of delusional misidentification disorders. Imagine believing that someone you know very well, a parent, spouse, sibling, or close friend, has been replaced by an identical-looking imposter. This unsettling experience is at the heart of Capgras syndrome. The condition was first described in 1923 by French psychiatrist Joseph Capgras and his colleague Jean Rabal-Lachaux. While the syndrome is uncommon, its impact on those affected and their families can be profound, leading to confusion, distress, and strained relationships. Understanding Capgras syndrome helps us explore the fascinating ways our brains connect faces and emotions, and why these connections sometimes break down. People with Capgras syndrome usually recognize the physical appearance of their loved ones perfectly. However, their brains fail to link the familiar face with the emotional feeling of knowing that person. This disconnect causes intense confusion and suspicion, making sufferers believe that the person in front of them is an imposter. The syndrome reveals a lot about how our brains process memory, emotion, and facial recognition. It's not simply a matter of seeing someone, it's about feeling that sense of familiarity. When this emotional connection is lost, the mind fills the gap with a strange and unsettling explanation. This scene explores the neurological roots of Capgras syndrome and why the brain sometimes misfires in such a dramatic way. Capgras syndrome is not considered a standalone mental illness. Instead, it is often linked to other conditions such as schizophrenia, dementia, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, traumatic brain injury, or various neurological disorders. Although rare, Capgras syndrome has become widely studied because it offers unique insights into how the brain processes memory, emotion, and facial recognition. Researchers are fascinated by the syndrome's ability to highlight the complex relationship between perception and emotional response. By studying Capgras syndrome, scientists hope to better understand the mechanisms behind these connections and develop more effective treatments for related disorders.